Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing of some products. Keep on watching. So we're doing an unboxing video, but before we get into that, if you have not seen the install of these boho human locks, I'll link that video up above, so make sure you check it out. So in today's video, we do have a couple of goodies. We have some hair products, some skincare products, and also fragrances. So let's get right into it. So first things first, we're gonna start with the fragrance, and we do have one in our empties. And this is the Ambery Saffron from Dossier. If you do not know about Dossier, link my discount code up above. They do have designer fragrances for a fraction of the cost. And you can still smell this. This is a dupe of the MFK Baccarat Rouge 450. Absolutely love this. Smells amazing. If you have not tried Dossier products before and you're trying to see where to begin, this would definitely be the fragrance to start with. Okay, next up in the empties is one makeup product. This is from Smashbox, the Always On Foundation. This is in the color T10W. Absolutely love this foundation. Definitely need to get another one of these. Next up in the product Empties is from Skincare. This is from Everyday Skincare Co. This is from one of my girlfriends. She started her own skincare brand. This is the Golden Hour Face Serum. Use every bit of it. And then the Daylight Dew Cream. Down to the last drop. Absolutely love these. So if you want to support a small business, definitely check out Everyday Skincare Co. I still do have the toner and the face wash, so I'm using those continuously. So you'll definitely see those in my next Empties video. Next up in the product Empties is from The Dew. This is the Mousse Def Texture Foam. If you know, you know. This should be in everyone's stash. So I just want to give away from them, thankfully. So I'm going to be getting a new one because this one is done for. If you haven't checked them out, definitely recommend. Next up in the product Empties is another mousse. This is from Mael Organics, the Pomegranate and Honey collection. Absolute favorite collection from this brand. This mousse, 10 out of 10 out of 10, highly recommend. As you can see, I love a good mousse. And next in the product Empties is another mousse. This is from Bask and Bloom. It's the Hydrating Curl Mousse. I believe this is the mousse that made me fall in love with mousse. Like this gem here, bomb.com. Definitely need to try this. If you have not heard of this brand, Black-owned brand, Bask and Bloom, bomb products, definitely check out their mousse. Next up in the product Empties, you guessed it, another mousse. This is from Jackie's, the Ready Set Hold Braid Setting Foam Mousse. If you haven't checked them out, I'll link my video up above where I use this mousse with a protective style that turned out so bomb. Definitely gotta run that style back. But this mousse, this entire line, absolutely love it. It's made with biotin and honey. Great ingredients, great products. Definitely check it out. Next up in the product Empties is another mousse. I think this is the last one. I'm not sure, but this is from Red by Kiss, the Style Fixer Foam Mousse Maximum Shine Wrap Frizz Prevention. Absolutely love this mousse as well. Definitely did a couple of protective styles with this mousse. I'll also link that video up above. This mousse is definitely a must-have. Next up in the product Empties is from Olaplex. I have two products. We have number 3, which is the Hair Perfector. Absolutely love Olaplex and all of their products. So if you haven't checked them out, you definitely should. And then number 4, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And last but not least, number 5, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. They did just send me another shampoo and conditioner, so I'm so excited to get into those. But these three, highly, highly recommend. Great balm repair system. Okay, next up in the Empties is from Pattern Beauty. We have the medium conditioner for curlies, the hydration shampoo, and then the edge control. Absolutely love this edge control. Do have a backup, which I'm so happy about because this edge control is bomb. Use it to the last drop. It's great hold. Gets those edges together. Definitely love these products from Pattern Beauty. Next up in the product Empties, we have a bunch of edge controls. I've been doing a whole lot of protective styles lately, so I've definitely been using edge controls. So first up, we have the Dola Hair Braid Gel, which I got from TikTok Shop. And then the More Edges Wax, which is a bomb edge control. Love both of these. We have the Edge Bras from Pardon My Fro. I did some great styles with this. I'll link those videos up above. The Black Castor Oil and Chebe Edge Control from Camille Rose. 10 out of 10 on both of these. And last but not least, we have the Watermelon Seed Edge Pomade from Bask and Bloom. And then the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel from Mayel Organics. Another 10 out of 10. Up in the product Empties is the Rosemary Oil Strengthening Hair Scalp Drops from Camille Rose. I'm almost done with the shampoo and the 5-minute mask from this line, so you'll see that in an upcoming Empties, but I definitely love this line and love this oil. Next up in the product Empties is a brand that I haven't done much with on my channel, but it's from Wella Professionals. It's the Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue. Absolutely loved this. So I definitely need to get more products from Wella Professionals. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this product or any products from this brand, but I definitely recommend this. Next up in the product Empties is from Commit Biologics, and this is the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. This is a trial sample size of it. Absolutely love this. You've been using this doing my protective style, so definitely recommend Commit Biologics. They have amazing products. And then next up is from Ajwa Beauty. I will leave my storefront link in the description box and my discount code up above. This is the Baomint Deep Conditioning Treatment. If you haven't tried anything from this brand, definitely start here. This whole Baomint line is so amazing. Strengthening line, definitely bomb. Moisturizing, everything that you need. So definitely check out Ajwa Beauty. And last but certainly not least in the Empties is from one of my favorite brands, Uncle Funky's Daughter. Used a couple of their sample or trial, use a couple of their travel size products. So this is Good Hair, the conditioning cream. This pairs very well with Curly Magic. So if you haven't tried this duo, definitely check it out. I will leave my discount code up above and the link in the description box. And then we have Extra Butter, which is a moisturizer. Actually, I have 2 empties of Extra Butter and then 1 empty of Super Curl. Both of these are moisturizers. They work extremely well. Super Curl is lighter for thinner, finer strands, whereas Extra Butter is a little heavier for thick, coarse strands. Both work amazing for twist outs, braid outs, pair with Curly Magic for a wash and go. Everything that you need, these 2 have got you covered. Hope you've enjoyed these product Empties. Make sure you check the description box where I'll leave my discount codes, links to all of the products. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, which products you're looking to try, which products you've never heard of. Leave all of your questions, comments in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.